What's up guys, Eric from Sonic. Today we are very excited to be here at Rigs and Coffee event at AT230 in La Habra. Enjoy some specialty coffee at the same time, get your work done, whether you need to get car alignment done, new tires, new wheels, suspension work, or any of the Sonic accessories installed in your vehicle. And today they are having a really cool event where they invite a lot of the local rigs and trucks to come, meet, and hang out. We're showing and demonstrating our Encore Alpha power amplifier. At the same time, we have other products here with one-day specials. The products that we offer for these trucks are front camera adapters. We have shift power throttle response controller. We have our Encore Alpha and X power amplifiers. And at the same time, we also have the CarPlay and Android Auto retrofits for a lot of these vehicles. If you are local in Southern California, make sure you follow our socials as we will announce these type of events, and we come out to these events. You can come and take advantage of our one-day specials we have on our products. Alright guys, so let's do a recap on how the event went down that day. So as you can see here, there are a lot of cool trucks here. Got the Lexuses, we got the Toyotas, and we had some product demonstrations that we were doing at our booth. And while walking around the show a bit, there were two cars that we really liked that stood out to us. One of them is this built-out 4Runner, and it's pretty cool seeing the older model 4Runners looking like this, restoring to its prime so that it could still be used many years later. We also saw this really cool looking Tacoma here. We could tell that this owner really utilizes the vehicle to its potential with taking off-roading, and we're also happy that we can offer upgrades for these type of vehicles, whether it's a front camera adapter or an amplifier to enhance the audio, and also the CarPlay retrofit kits that we offer for these Tacomas. We like coming to these type of events. We love off-roading. We had a chance to take our Lexus GX out to the desert during the SEMA week. Got some really cool footages over there. It was super fun, and I can't wait to do it again. Another thing we enjoy at AT230 Cars and Coffee is that they have these sim racing rigs that are set up so you can actually race wheel to wheel with your friends, try to get the best time possible for that day. And you have the ability to test drive any of the vehicles you want to test drive at any of these popular racetracks, which is a lot of fun. And next month in February, we are going to have another event here at AT230. It's gonna be the 15-year Sonic USA's anniversary car meet. Ever since we established Sonic USA, it's been 15 years, and we want to celebrate that with the car community here in Southern California. We're going to be doing more one-day specials. We're going to be giving out swags, and we're going to be offering some games, and just going to be a good time for the car community to get together, talk about their cars, talk about our products, and overall it's going to be a very fun experience for everybody.